Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates, including previews and quick tips like these. So first of all, this week I have a really cool Christmassy themed tutorial where we're making some snow-covered pine trees based off the easy pine trees that I showed you guys how to make in an earlier tutorial. So you'll definitely not want to miss that. Then next week I have a little Christmas special. I know you guys will probably be busy with your families. It is going to be Christmas Eve when this video comes out, so I'm just giving you a simple video showing trains running around my layout. I have filmed several trains running around my layout, so just giving you an idea of showing you the entire layout, all the cool little features that I've built in, what I have left to do, and I thought that'd be just a cool thing for you guys to check out. So that's what I have coming up this week and next week on my channel. And now on to the quick tip for this week. And this is in regards to layout planning. When you are planning your layout, make sure you have some sort of track that goes off the edge of the track that symbolizes the layout being connected to the rest of the world. You can connect a fiddle track or a staging yard to this later, but this will open up a lot of operation potential and make your layout a lot more fun because you can have stuff coming in from off the layout rather than everything having to be contained within the layout. So definitely make a connection to the rest of the world on your layout and don't have it completely enclosed. It's actually a common mistake that people make when they're building their layouts. I have built several layouts that had that issue. So that is the quick tip for this week. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.